be a peninete, a Luther must continue, D revolution, and Kwesi Kotoka no mokoye, and Umutu, Dr. Nkrumah, dear so. Na arehusema na woman say ma me papa da na yetu Nkrumah de so no Ghana fo na ye na Nkrumah fight for no wo mu na bubu Nkrumah statue etietia so sa time no na ye okatechi afri fa no papa sa time na ye Jimmy fo okatechi afri fa level 300 to 400 game pa bodam for no na ye omo papa no time and I'm vision na no munni no munye generational thinkers intino omo tena ho ena Kwesi Kotoka be ye den eba bebubu de Nkrumah ye Kwesi Kotoka no kura no endi na enu endi na nsa eno no anuanom omo military no because of indiscipline so therefore mo fan chame. But today the truth have to be told to the young Ghanaian youth. Esa be ye den esa be breaki ayi Kotoka eno mo fai ayi power ma me papa na what ase that time. Soldier government never brought anything better for Ghana. Debia me ba me page so amebeka say soldier government does not bring anything better for Ghana because it only puts limitations on the growth of people because hwesanko obi obetumi abie ono store akweko du yemfa ne say bia from 6 to 8 curfew nti yes yen 6 to 4 na yen tem kodu fie ansa na 6 yabo enu nti baby ananka betumi atena ton ade nanka wanya wo daily quota no eno esote eno ye one eno nkoda nchen. Other than that no economic hardship edeba ne say once there is a military rule in your country or there's a military coup in your country no other states and as a baby ana wodin crofo trading because there is no country that is an island. Every country is interconnected. Hey, Ghana wo hosa na mind do wa omo dan Ghana to get ye cocoa to get our something in order for the economy to survive. Sana Ghana yeso ye dan o man bi said ye be ya yeso ye like ye nema ye ne Ghana no e be rane and once you turn yourself into that, what happens is that you are now cut off from the international bodies who could have helped you otherwise to sustain. So now you are left with just the little resources in within you. Find dubious means of using it to run the country, which every time does not end good. Ghana for after Ankara no so baye, a free fan no baye, ena omo ye pali school, kuku for yao. Any yadi mine kwama, Mr. Buzia. Mr. Buzia betna so yes, Stephen 24, thank you, welcome. Please share the page for me. Mr. Buzia betna so or the democracy. Chechere mine. Chire the way ya sebe Western cultures need to me ya omania maybe say ya na ye no. Any ye saying ya another soldier ni ba ye said there be yempe Buzia ban. Ye saying ya another soldier aban ba ye say yempe Buzia aban. Eno mu ye den omu tu Buzia. Ye tu Buzia wie na afa ye hwe de ye be ya. The soldier regime omo be fa Ghana no depleted Ghana, destroyed so many of the assets. I'm giving you this history so that when I start on Okatechi Afrifa, you know where I'm coming from. Because if you people tell me that fool is in school and is learning and understands the history of Ghana, he would not even put on a red beret and says that he wants a constitutional overthrow. If Okatechi Afrifa is not fighting for his selfish interest just to keep his name in the history of Ghana, just so Yebeka say, Kuobi Baya, your friend, fix the country, ne Jimmy Fuobi Kanwa, your friend Okatechi Afrifa, or be put or be compromising the security of Ghana, or be waging war against the Ghana, all because of what? All because I also want to be represented. And the sad thing they say, Yenya Yenuanomo Yako University, Yako Sunya Dia Munim, the history of Ghana. No more forgetting in now say, oh, or a man. Not all support to such foolishness. Not all support to such foolishness. First and foremost, when Fix the Country started, anybody who comes on my thing, I told you, say, oh, it's either things that need to be explained to them and they would understand. That time, no more confess, robbers win Mumbai. No more confess, Jimmy for Moshe, and Bodan for no Munimoshe, Captain Cronford Smart, no. A kunkum crofo kunum for no more conform memo. Now your boys be a na girls be or more say, near maybe what Ghana as you fix it. And almost do Omoko France and Crofo when no generalize the idea political and almost the way the same thing at A+ by ye no almost the same thing say Sadia Uenya de Sika be mese ni pedidi. Ghana fwenko si da ben ye benyane. Mese me pegane ni baako. Obetumi appoint ade baako a soldier ban we na ye ya ende eda so te ase a ye didi ho mon kan kire me. Monchira me soja aban na ba ye no wo mumu niama baako a wo mutumi ye ya ende Ghana fo ye didi ho momo baako mame Ghana ye need sada bie ye bio onyame ye yadom ye ni bie bio yes ko yi His Excellency Dr. Liman ananka from there there anka democracy no ye be ye nkakra ko ene yenya junior Jesus sambe ka kire yen se sebi mpredua sesremufo e wa hanfa ncheme yenuanom e wo sremu no omu need the tenacity to become leaders of Ghana ntino so yeku ene ode otan nordness odi two Liman ade so ene ode otan sebi minuanom e wo north or na me na ya me ya say Ghanaians are easily swayed because Liman was a legitimate president ya Ghana for ya to abeyi no waba. The first year, watoto ne niama president be your second year na wugi start check na obiti ye chire because Liman is swear in na no not ye konwa so right chairman tie konwa so right e dwene kwanya obeba betu Liman na free ho told my people from the north say omo de sebe omo ye president ya emfata omo they don't have the knowledge to lead na me wo ho me say one day wo ho metro book. Now maybe when that book comes, maybe that will be my end. Because the same person now, Oka said the nordness, excuse me, and today my nordness, I'm speaking to you something we call hardball. So don't be angry with me. Somebody who said government only policy. There be any policy. Into momo de ene de. Say ye kana wa ampenia near the veranda boys ne. Azoka boys ni mule Jimmy Fono near the Omaba near Meska. Kakrama your kateche free fan money fix the country for no ma share Jimmy for be to say Kofi Blay no yellow say mon konko ye a way demonstration na wa dwene ye adwuma for the first time wo de also we so hu ya also we de we Jimmy for we NDC ni Jimmy for na we so hu ya for the first time in our life in the life of Ghana assembly plants aye they assemble cars aba Ghana. We nyansania me ye nyansani ntini minim say nne na ye hwehwe ne keke wa ha ochine bi beba afi de ye be manufacture parts and things here na mesre wo say Ghana for pa nti ye dia nkura nti mo gidi pa say de betumi asolve ane mahama nti mo ye sure pa say mahama nkwa na betumi asesa Ghana for 4 years. Jimmy o momo bebre mo atwene nya adwuma o obi aye minister waye MP waye vice president waye president once sa Ghana when you serious I can't 4 years but so now do you see the agenda ye metungum ne ye ndiska president Mahama de oba obechiska obi abedibi